This is Kwando Safari's splash camp in the Okavango Delta of Botswana. This is our first full day here, and we really like this camp. The staff is wonderful, food is very good, tents are nice. Just having great game drive too. These are your communal dining tables. Normally they will serve a starter and then buffet style for the rest of the food. They have a little curio shop here. Some really nice items. Over in there is the swimming pool. Beautiful large lookout deck. You have your fireplace here. A little lounge area. A full bar, serve yourself, sodas, soft drinks. Wonderful people who work here. Excellent place. I do not think you would be disappointed. Alright, this is our tent number 4. Some camps, well, they all call them tents. Some are much more of a tent than a room. Splash was built in, I think, 2018. This is a very nicely appointed tent. So you have your outside deck overlooking the floodplain. Right now the floodplain is not flooded, so I'm sure you would have a whole lot of wildlife out there if it was. Very nice comfortable seating. You have your desk. Very ample charging station. Using different adapters, but no problem charging your devices, taking care of everything. Got your nice bed, ceiling fan, and the mosquito netting here, even though you don't need it, it's really more for looks than anything. During the without the floods, and they're not tie up, they're curtains, so you can pull them around the bed. Another chair, floor fan, clothing storage, separate bathroom. Not every tent has a separate bathroom. Of course, this one is with a view. You can see a very nice flooring. The place is solid, made very well. Floor length mirror, double sinks, plenty of room around the sinks. Women love that. Your indoor shower, very nicely appointed. Again, not every property is so nicely appointed. Some are better, majority are a little more bare bones. And your outdoor shower, in case you feel like taking a shower, enjoying the environment. There's also a really good space in between the tents here. So you'll have some camps where the tents are very close to each other. You can hear everybody. We don't hear a single person on either side. But, so this is the tent. Very happy, very pleased with it. And again, the people here are spectacular.